frostbite makeup? Let's do it. I'm going to get some liquid latex. I'm just applying thin random layers around my face, and the edges don't need to be neat at all. Now that that first layer is dried down, I'm just going in with the second layer. I've got my tweezers and I'm creating tiny little holes. Be careful not to stab yourself as well while you're doing this. Covering my face in a white cream paint. I've added that white paint to my eyebrows and my lashes. Now I'm tapping a dark red eyeshadow on top. And I'm using the black, brown and red in this Mehron colouring. I've added some eye bags on along the edge of my nostril and then blend it out. Now I'm adding some of this pastel blue in random areas just to make it look a bit more like frosty and icy. I'm using this red shade to add some vein details. I'm going to take some eyelash glue. This is one that dries down clear. I'm going to kind of dot it around my face. I'm going to let that dry down. And then I'm just using some fake snow that I got off Amazon and sticking it to the areas where I put that glue. I need to add some finishing touches, but who's ready to see the end result? Okay guys, here's the end result. Is this a hit or a miss? I can barely see anything with these lenses in, but I feel like it turned out pretty good. Does it look like I've got frostbite? If you think it looks good, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching.